Hello and welcome. Now, one of the other ways that you can make your book available is to use an Amazon storefront. An Amazon storefront is a way of promoting all of the products that you might see on Amazon, both as an affiliate as well as those that you create yourself. And basically, you're designing the store to fit your brand. And this is a case where you might have both your Kindle books as well as physical products. Basically what you're doing is you're getting your own branded URL on Amazon and you are creating a multi-page shopping experience of all of the products that you are going to be working with. So you can see this with larger brands like Listerine, fashion-oriented brands, and personal brands. Now to have a store, you do need to be an Amazon seller or a vendor agent. And your brand must be registered in what they call the Amazon Brand Registry, which is basically designed to protect you and any product that you sell that you create. And basically, for the brand registry, you do need to have a text-based trademark as well as an image-based trademark. And to get started, you would go to your Seller Central account. And naturally, the reason that you do this is that you have other items that are already available on Amazon.com. And you want to promote other items that are related. You can achieve the same thing on your personal website if you want to use your affiliate links. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.